And in fact, a 3D printing, because you're all designers uh, and CAD operators, you should know what all can be done, what people have tried. It's very important because 3D printing offers you capability to look at a new kind of you know uh, aesthetics. What is that? Like this, इंजेक्शन मोल्डिंग नहीं कर सकते, die casting नहीं कर सकते, CNC में नहीं कर सकते, but it can be 3D printed. So many times you're all calling it as CAM, computer aided manufacturing. That is okay. I mean, you can say CAM में नहीं कर सकते, CAM में कर सकते हैं, you know, but not all CAM. When we say engineering CAM, we refer that to CNC. The CNC में ये चीज नहीं कर सकते, you know, but we can do it in jewelry, the so-called 3D printing CAM. So CAM can be a misnomer if you're using in. I know Kaya was telling me people know it as CAM in the connotations. In engineering CAM, they use it for CNC, machining centers, automats, special purpose machines, and all that. But the CAM, what we say here, is actually 3D printing. You can see how beautiful things can be made. This is made out of sugar. Can you imagine? A sugar से बना हुआ है, 3D printed in sugar. See this, a pot, so beautiful, glazed, right? इसमें लैंप आपको नहीं दिखते, लाइट नहीं दिखते, लाइट का इफेक्ट दिखते हैं आपको, ट्री जैसे जो बनाया वो कैसे बना सकते हैं? Only by 3D printing. See this one. These are all like chalk picks put together. I say design, creativity. You know, creativity is not about doing different things, but doing things differently, right? So they have done it differently. You replace this with a motif, वो उसका मिल जाएगा आपको. See this one, so beautiful, like a tulip. Inside there is a light. See this one. This is like a Cinderella's special shoe. If you come to imagine it, you can have a look at it. It is very injurious also. The bottom, if somebody kicks using this, the people will die. So it's like a very good for self-defense. This is a shoe, again 3D printed, flexibility. You're able to wear it, you know, like a wearing a cloth. You can see this, again a shoe. Niche, it is very hard, like a rubber, and upar jate, it becomes soft. So you can slip in your foot and you can walk. See, so many experiments I've done in footwear. Because footwear, it needs some places strong and hard, in some places it needs soft. Spectacles, there are different varieties. Bag, the entire bag is printed, including catch, including everything, except for the metal things. Either सब कुछ 3D printed, you know, is linked, you know, assembly नहीं किया. The whole thing is 3D printed using powder. See this one, is it something like Belu Halebid or Mount Abu? पत्थर में कटा हुआ है? नहीं. These are all mathematical formulas. They created on screen, they found it nice, they exported and they printed large structures. You know, they can use it as a sculpture, right? Intricate sculpture in temples. Tomorrow's habitat, they may look like this. Furnitures, you know, if you can scan a veil and take, and then you fix it with another design part, you know, furniture becomes a furniture. See this one. Either mendek आपको दिखते नहीं है. A frog, you cannot see it, but a frog is scanned and it is taken in. That and the furniture They are force fitted together, a combination of it, you know, a hybrid of these two. You know, people want to use such things. There is somebody always there to buy such exotic things. A cars, you know, limited edition or only one edition thing which people are making. And so in jewelry, because of the capability to do such a reticulated huddy-like structure, space structures, people have taken this as a clue to produce jewelry. Okay, so you can see a jewelry is not a piece of gold; it's a piece of fun you're wearing. Correct, no? So designing can, as a designer, you can freak out with any concept. You know, there is no limit. There is no constraint to your creativity. You know, sky is not the limit, right? And you can see how some of these are used. See how a 3D printed object can be studied. See, some of these what we discussed are actually made and they are functional. So we can call this as rapid manufacturing because you can rapidly, today it is a sketch, tomorrow is a CAD, and day after tomorrow it's a model which can be invested and studied with diamonds, right? And these are all real possibilities that this technology brings. So, questioning the stereotypes. Sorry. Questioning the stereotypes. You can have a choker which is made up of nylon, biocompatible nylon. It will not irritate or anything. It sits nicely on the neck. And fashion, people can use it. In fact, we had been to Asia's first 3D print fashion show, where I designed a peacock, you know, and I'll show you somewhere it is there. So people can do custom things like this. Incorporate a, you know, visual on the thing. Somebody wanted to see something working like a gear, you know, or something which can be gold-plated, golden. All these things can be made. Design will lead consumption. Manufacturing would be taken for granted. That means all of you as designers, you don't have to have the burden of having a karigar, a workshop, making all these things. After having done a clean work on your computer, you know, and after having done the rendering, and this rendering is posted on your website, somebody will click and pay for it. And then you have a tie-up with a company which does all this, you know, one-stop shop like Imaginarium. We can take care of all manufacturing nuisances. You know, design will lead the consumption, manufacturing will take it. Who cares how it is made? But they want to enjoy the product. Correct, no? People are not worried. They're not going to pay extra since because it is 3D printed or anything. They got their design, they got it fast, they got it cheap. That's the